Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Noor's Kitchen. You must have heard of gajar ka halwa, but I am going to make bread ka halwa today, an Indian dessert made with bread. It is different, at the same time simple and time friendly recipe. So let's begin. Here I have taken a non-stick kadai so that bread does not get burnt, and now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use refined oil. Then grind 9 to 10 loaf of breads in a mixer grinder and then add it on ghee. Keep on stirring to avoid burning if you are not using a non-stick utensil. Then add 1/3 bowl of sugar. I'm adding a pinch of food color in 1 cup of milk. Mix it and then pour it. Keep on stirring for few seconds. Now add 1 cup of water. And let it cook on low flame for at least 1 minute. And it's almost done. This is very lucid recipe I try when any of my family member crave for sweets. If you like the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share, because every gesture counts and motivates to transform the content into better and better than before. Thank you for watching Noor's Kitchen.